everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Dragonfly Beez Resell Journey. In this video, I have Disney pins. Yes, there's 35 of them. Each row has 7. So, let's go over them. I think I'm going to say first row is up here, so that would be 1 to 7. Second row would be 8 to 14. Third row would be 15 to 21. Fourth row would be 22 to 28. Last row is 29 to 35. So you can indicate which number by telling me which row, what number, what not. So let's go over each one quickly. First one is the Disney Mickey hat. I guess he wore a hat like this in Fantasia, and it is the flag. And there's the back side. The next one, that's number 1. Number 2, I believe that's Stitch. Correct me if I'm wrong. And that's the back of him. If you have any questions, just email me. If you need me to tell you what the back of the pin says entirely, I can do that. This one here is number 3. I'm not sure of her name, but I guess that's a female duck. The name, even the male duck, I can't even think of him right now, but we have her. Number 4 is this Mickey in 2 shades of green. And there's the back of him. The number 4 is Minnie Mouse with the red and white polka dot bow. There's the back of this. Number 5. Maybe the mouse from Ratatouille? I don't know. There's the back of this one. This one is actually, it looks like it's a Disney from Asia, because there's some Asian characters on the back of that. This is number 7. It is a bowling pin, and it is Ursula from The Little Mermaid. There's the back of her, 2008, I think that says. Number 8. This looks like Stitch in maybe a pool floaty. He's gold tone on the back. There's a little mark over there. It just says Disney made in China. Number 9. Alice. Yes, I was thinking Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland in a heart shape. Looks like she's falling down the hole, I guess. And there's the back of her. This is her dress. This would be number, let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 10. It's her dress. There's the back of her dress. Number 11. Bleaker. He looks like a Muppet. And there's the back of this pin. Let's see, 7, 11. Number 12. Oh, what a cutie. It's a little cat in a cupcake. I don't know the character's name. And there's the back. This is gold tone back. Number 13. This looks like maybe a fishbowl? I don't know. It has a starfish. There's the back of this one. Number 14 is a initial R with the dinosaur. Is that from Toy Story? And there's the back of this one. There is some wear on this one. Number 15. This is the letter S. I guess it's for Stitch. And there's the back of this pin. Number 16. The letter L. Oh, what's her name? Oh. I don't know. Is it Lilo? There's the back of her. Number 17 is a giggling Mickey Mouse. There's the back of this pin. Number 18. Oh, this is cute. It's a silhouette. I don't know. They look like kangaroos. That's a sweet one. And there's the back. Let's see. 16, 17, 18. 19. Number 19. This is a sweet one. It's Tinkerbell in a frame. And there's the back of her. Number 20 is Eeyore. Number 21 is Queen of Hearts, I guess. These pins are in pretty good condition. Number 22. Looks like maybe the backside of a Mickey. I don't know. And there's the back of this one. Number 23. What is this? Oh. It's a dinosaur. No, a lizard or alligator? I don't know where he's from. He looks familiar though. He's playing a horn. Backside of this one. 24. This looks like Ursula's mouth. And there's the back of this pin. 25. I'm not sure. It's kind of flexing. There's the back of that. 26. A toy? Oh no, a minion? I'm not sure. Has 3 eyes though. And there's the back of this. 27. This is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. As you can see, he's got the shamrock, the top hat, the bow. There's the back of this. Number 28 is Ariel. I am not fishing for a compliment. Back of her. Number 29, I'll be your Minnie. So I guess there's one that says I'll be your Mickey. And there's the back of that one. 30 is Cinderella and her glass slipper. There's the back. There's a little, I guess, a little chip right there, maybe. So that is 30. 31 is this Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. There's the back of Peppa. 32. Is he from Monsters Inc? That's the pin, so those are not his ears. His ears are the white portion. He's a Cyclop. There's the back of him. It's really cute. The back of these pins have have this stopper that's in the shape of a Mickey Mouse head. So what number were we up to? 30, 31, 32, 33. 33. I'm confused with the princesses, but here's one. Maybe she's Beauty and the Beast. I don't know. But it's in this geometric heart shape. There's the back of that. And then number 34 is this. Oh, this is a framed Alice, I believe. There's the back. And then lastly, number 35 is this really cool pin of Mickey's head, black and white and like a pink color. And there's the back of that. So yeah, Disney pins. I hope you find one you enjoy. So if you enjoyed my video, my little pop-up video of Disney pins, please give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already. That way you can get in on these deals. These deals are for my subscribers only. Ring the bell, choose all notifications. That way you'll be alerted when I post new content. Comment below. Tell me what you thought. And if there's anything you would like to purchase, email me at dragonflybeez@gmail.com. The instructions are in the beginning of the video. After my introduction, I also include them always below in the description box. If any of these pins sell, I do create a sold list and I will pin it in the comment section. That means it'll be the first comment that you see. And I appreciate everyone for popping in for this quickie Disney pin sale. I will see you soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye.